Hi, often we are asked the question what product to use on concrete walls which have got damp problems. As you can see, it's a dry grey powder rather than the white powder which what the Aquastop was. When would you use Crystal Proof? Crystal Proof is different than Aquastop because what it actually does, rather than just being a membrane on the surface, it actually penetrates through the concrete into great depths. And it forms tiny crystals. It has a chemical reaction with the lime that's already in the block, causes a chemical reaction in there and forms these crystals and creates a barrier in here rather than just on the surface. So what's the main point whilst considering using Crystal Proof? Crystal Proof is a high-end product. Because it's not just a membrane, it actually penetrates into the surface as well. That's one of its great advantages, which lends itself to, you can put counterbattens on the face of it, drywall over it, plasterboard, finished wall. Because of the type of product it is, it's not a super smooth finish as what the Aquastop is, so it's not a decorative finish, which means that it doesn't really take to a paint. Application of Crystal Proof. You must make sure the surface is damp so it gets drawn into the substrate. That's probably the main thing that you've got to worry about. Secondly, don't mix the whole tub all in one go, otherwise you'll never get it all on before it starts going off. Make sure you mix it with the right quantities of water to the product. Mix the product to a toothpaste consistency. Dampen the surface that's going to be the product applied to, and apply with a brush for best results and maximum coverage. Then go on ahead and mix more as you go. A minimum of 2 coats are required, and do the first coat in an up and down direction and the second coat in a left to right direction. Curing time is 7 days. Avoid rain damage to the new coating until it is set. Typically, this will be 7 days before it can resist the passage of water. No trade qualification required. DIY meter 3 out of 5. Crystal Proof is available in 2 kgs, 4 kgs and 10 kgs. See our other videos for the full range of our waterproofing products.